Plan B, will the Health Ministry consider closing Cornwall Regional Hospital as a air quality crisis continues? The latest as officials meet with those affected. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Lorraine Samuels. This evening, deadline. JUTC told when tints on its buses must be removed.
Loud, lewd music. Cops expand their anti-tint drive.
Pilot, the latest on the plan to track low-risk inmates using electronic tags.
Gang fury, revealing research on why boys join gangs.
In business news, looking ahead, Digicel outlines its future organizational structure.
There is also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package, but before the break, the feedback question.
Has the government done enough to solve the ongoing crisis of noxious fumes at the Cornwall Regional Hospital? Give reasons for your answer.
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.